Hi, so this video is going to be all about how to do your homework properly. I'm going to cover how to download the file, what to do with the file once you've downloaded it, and the format I expect it to be uploaded in. So, we're going to start by opening Omnivox, which is where you get your assignments. Now keep in mind that I am a teacher, and so my Omnivox will look a little bit different from yours, but I'm going to sign in. And then I'm going to go to Leah. And I'm going to go to assignments. And I'm going to download the file. So I click that little icon, it downloads for me. Your screen is going to look different. Now I've got the quiz file downloaded. Now opening this is not going to be enough to be able to properly edit it, especially if I want to use a PyCharm project. And so instead what we're going to do is we're going to go start. Going to push start, going to open PyCharm Community Edition because that's the edition we're using. If you happen to have professional, that is okay. Whoop. Gonna remove that because their project doesn't exist anymore. I'm gonna create a new project. If you already open, I'll show you what to do in a second. And I'm just gonna save it as quiz01. Create a new virtual environment, make sure that is created also inside my quiz folder. If it's not created inside my project folder, I'm going to click that little thingy and create it there. These don't matter, just make sure that they're unchecked. And create a main.py script, we're going to make sure that's unchecked too. We're going to create our project. Our project's going to take a second to load. We're going to get some tips. I do not need them, so I'm going to say don't show them, but if you'd like to keep them, you're welcome to keep them. Now I'm going to open Windows Explorer. I'm going to find my file, right, my quiz1 file that I downloaded. I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to drop it once this loads. I'm going to drop it into the project folder. Okay, that's just being annoying right now. Let's try that again. Drag it. Sometimes things just misbehave. Windows Explorer is not being polite. So we open Task Manager really quick and we go to Explorer. And we go restart. So rebooted Windows Explorer, and hopefully now this will work just fine. Open the File Explorer, go to Downloads, grab this, and bring it to here. And this is still not working for some reason. One last time, drag this. Oh, there we go. It's going to show move. We drop it in there. It says, hey, do you really want to bring this here? Do you want to search for references? Do you want to open in? We're going to open an editor, and we're going to click the refactor button. And now you see the files over here, and the file's open because we said open in editor. And now we can write our answers. So it's a Boolean. Whoops. It is a number or an integer. It is a string. We create temp equals 5. We're not supposed to do anything with it. We just need to create it. And here we just need to print out our name. So I go over here and I print out. And that's all there is. Now I can test it by clicking the run. Oop, and it runs properly. Now before I upload this, I'm going to put my name. So my name is Metal. I'm going to put my made up student ID, which is just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Save that. So I press Control S. So it's saved, or I go to File. Oops, right. Yeah. Go to File, and where is it? Sorry, File, New Project. If you happen to have already had a project open, you can just go File, New Project, or File, Close Project, and that's how you'll get out of this. So now we've got this file. We're going to go right click. We're going to go Open in Explorer. And in 1 second, Windows Explorer is going to open up, and it's going to show us exactly where the quiz1 file is now. This is the updated version. We're going to open Omnivox. We're going to upload. We're going to click the submission button, which I don't have here because I'm a teacher. And then when it asks you for a file, you drag this file and you drop it. Or if it asks you for directions, you can copy this file path and paste it in and then go from there. Either way, you're going to upload that file as it is. You're not going to zip it. You're not going to do anything else to it. If there's more than one file, then you'll create a zip. And when I give you an assignment for more than one file, I will create another video explaining exactly how I expect that to be done. But this is how I expect you to upload an assignment on its own. Any quizzes, anything. And so for the next exercises, which I will give you in the next few days, I will expect them to be handled like this. All right. That is all. If you have any questions, you can always reach me on Omnivox or somewhere else. Or no, Omnivox through Mio. Yep. Enjoy your vacation.